Okay, we got a brand new thing here. Okay. It's 4 LED adjacent lights. And we're gonna hook those up and stick them underneath our cabinets and see how they work. There's 4 of them and they give you all the batteries, and this thing's like 20 bucks at Costco's. All right, the hard part is, of course, getting them out of the plastic. I think everything else would just be easy. So I just cut it. And then you gotta get your batteries out of there. Bam, got it. Oops. All right, so I got the 3 batteries. Uno, dos, tres. And now we gotta take this thing and open it up. It's pretty simple. Just pop it like that. And then you just set them in there and it tells you how to do it. So these are gonna go down like this. Whoops. So this goes in this way. It's got the little thing there. That's how you tell where you got to put it. That one goes in there. That one goes in there. Bam. And we take this. Bam. Look at it. So there's a little thing here. Press it and the light's on. Press it. Lights hot, light. So it's got 3 different settings. 1, 2, and off. And that's how they work. Pretty simple, huh? And it gives you a lot of light. So this goes right underneath the cabinet. So let's take a look at it. Brighter light, and then no light. Let's try it. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. That's it. And then I guess you got to figure a way to stick them on there. I guess we got to get some glue or something. All right. With some 3M things that you can stick on the back of it and then put it up on your, wherever you want to put it. Looks like it's got some directions here. We won't use those. To activate this thing, you got to pull this little plastic thing out. All right, so to activate this thing, you got to pull this out, and that gets that ready to go. Now we can use this to turn our 4 things on and off. And so it's got, you can do it for 30 seconds, 10 seconds, and 60 seconds, and 120. All right, and then it's got 10%, 40%, 80%, and 100%, so you can do it at different percentages. All right, and then it's got the on and off button. So let's see how it works. Let's put them over here. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and give it a shrinkle. All right, let's turn it on. All right, let's turn it off. Turn them on. All of them go on. Turn it off. Right now, we're gonna go to. We're gonna turn it on, and then we're gonna lower the. We're gonna lower it. All right, let me show you. I'm gonna make it go higher. Now I'm going to make it go lower. And if I hit this, I get 100%. If I hit this, I get 40%. If I hit this, I get 10%. So it really goes down. And then we can hit the timing, whatever time we want to put on it. So that's how they work. Pretty good, huh? All right, let's turn it off. Let's turn it on. Bam. So they all go on. Check them out. So you can see it. So I go off, on, off. Oh, I guess you got it. Sometimes you got to click it twice because it's not really articulating with all of them. Let's do the on. All right, let's go to 100%. Let's go to 80. Let's go to 40, and let's drop it down to 10. This one didn't quite get there. There we go. All right, so you got to play with it a little bit. But let's go to 100, watch. They go up. Let's go to 10. It gives you a better idea. Click the red button. Sometimes you got to click it twice. Click the green button. They all go on. Red button, all go off. All right, that's pretty much it. So anyway, and you get this little handy dandy device here. So they come with these magnets. So if you flip it over, watch. It sticks right on there like that. And so what you can do is you can put your 3M thing here, right? And then you can put this up here and you can take it off if you want, because you just pull it off the magnet and it'll just stick up there and the magnet will stick there. And then you can move it around if you want, or grab it and use it as a flashlight. So this right here, you can see, watch this. See how it sticks on there? Look. So that's a magnet, and that magnet holds it onto your spot. So you can put them underneath your counter, you know, here and here. And then if you want, you can pull the thing off and use it as a flashlight and walk around your house with it. So it makes it a little bit more, you know, versatile. Then you just got to put your 3M. It's got 2 sticky on both sides. And you stick it on there, and then you stick it underneath here on your cabinet. And that's how it works. All right, so what I have to do is peel this like that. And then I'm going to take that. I'm going to put it directly in the middle of the magnet, like this. Okay, kind of got it on there. And then I'm going to pull this off, and we're going to put it right up here, maybe over here. I have to decide yet. So I got to do I'm going to put all these on the magnets first. All right, so here's my magnets. And I got to put these on there. So I got to try to get them straight. That one looks pretty good. We'll leave the 3M side up first. And you got to get it kind of straight. When it's straight, bam, done. And one more. Bam. All right, done. One under there. I think we're going to put 2 under there and 1 under here. And that's it. So I want to measure this and see exactly what the length is. So this is 22 inches, and this side's 22 inches. So I probably want to go 11 inches in on each side. So I'm going to go to right about here. And over here. Okay, so I know exactly where I'm going to put them. So they'll be evenly balanced. It's always good to measure twice and cut once. All right, so now I have to peel off this strip here. To peel this off. And then we're going to put our first one up. And you want to try to make it straight. All right. We got one. Oh, I guess I could shut this. Now we'll do the other one. 2. All right, now all we got to do is put our 2 lights up. Got 2 of them. 1 and 2. All right, done. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to test them. You ready? That's it. Go to 100%. They don't really illuminate very much, do they? Let's turn the lights out in here. All right, so now we'll try the different settings. Let's go to 100%. Let's go to 10%. Let's go to 80% and 100%. I don't know. Doesn't really give me very much light, does it? But I mean, and they're kind of obtrusive. I don't know if I like them or not. I think they would be better in some other spots. Well, we'll have to live with them for a little bit and see if we like them. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff and products and iPhones and technology and YouTube and kite surfing and all kinds of junk. Peace out.